The region bounded by the curve y equals 3 divided by 4 plus root 3x, and be careful there, the 3x is all inside the square root, and the lines y equals 0, x equals 0, and x equals 3, is rotated about the x-axis to form a solid of revolution. We can see the area in the diagram. Use the substitution u is equal to 4 plus root 3x to show that the volume of this solid can be determined by evaluating k pi integral from a to b of 1 over u take away 4 over u squared du, clearly showing the value of each constant a, b, and k. Okay, well, the volume is going to be pi times the integral from 0 to 3 of y squared dx. So that is 3 over 4 plus root 3x squared dx. Now we're asked to use u is equal to 4 plus root 3x. So if x is equal to 0, that means that u is equal to 4, and if x is equal to 3, that means u is equal to 7. And these are going to be our values of a and b that we're supposed to find. Those are going to be the limits on the new integral in terms of u. Now, so if we have that u is 4 plus root 3x, so if we do du dx, the 4 is going to disappear, and we have 3x to the power half. So that's going to give us a half 3x to the negative a half times 3. So we can write that as 3 over 2 root 3x. Now, that means du is equal to 3 over 2 root 3x dx. Now that gives us that 2 root 3x over 3 du is equal to dx. Now, the root 3x is u take away 4. So that gives us that 2/3 of u minus 4 du is equal to dx. So v is going to be pi times the integral from 4 to 7 of 3 over u squared. Remember, that's just substituting u for 4 plus 3x in here, multiplied by the 2/3 u minus 4 du. So that's going to be pi times the integral from 4 to 7 of 9 times 2/3 times 1 over u squared u minus 4. So 2/3 of 9 is 6, so that is going to be 6 pi times the integral from 4 to 7 of, and let's just multiply this into here, and you can see that we'll get 1 over u, take away 4 over u squared du. Determine the volume of the solid of revolution to the nearest 0.01 cubic units. So, and you can do this sort of manually if you want, but 2 marks, you can probably do it on the calculator, but let's just have a look at the manual. So 6 pi times the integral from 4 to 7 of 1 over u take away 4 over u squared du is equal to 6 pi, and then we'll have ln u plus 4 over u from 4 to 7. So that's 6 pi, and then we would have ln 7 plus 4/7 take away ln 4 plus 1. And so that's 6 pi ln 7, take away 2 ln 2, take away 3/7, with 2 ln 2 being from here, and that is approximately 2.470. So to the nearest 0.01, that would be 2.47, and that would be in cubic units.